Hi, my name is Lian Hao Ran. I'm currently 14 years old and in Program B. This is my project. It's called Spike Dodger. This game is about dodging spikes. It's very easy. You just control the arrow key at your laptop and dodge the spike with the character. It's very simple and quite challenging. And if you lose, you can choose to play again. And if you play again, you can just play the game normally. This is my code. I use Cursor AI to create the code. With the chat, I can create the code very easily. This is all of the code, and I use all of the AI to create it. Thank you for watching my project. Bye.